Beautiful character home just a block away from the lake. Large 5-bedroom 2.5-bathroom home ready for its next owner to create memories in it. Incredible neighborhood, just down the street from Stevens Park. A must-see with amazing hardwood floors, original woodwork throughout the home. The kids will love the game room space in the lower level. You could have a home office on the main floor or a bedroom. Large entertaining space for the holidays or Packer game day. Just under 3,000 square feet. Set your showing up today. Buyer responsible for any/all street assessments. Mini split air conditioner.